Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the band is the correct width for your Apple Watch and that your wrists are clean. Lay the watch face down on a soft cloth. This prevents nicks. Press the band release button firmly, then slide the silicone band out in a straight motion. Do not twist. Once done, inspect the rails for dirt. Make sure to clear debris with a soft brush so the new band seats properly. You align the metal rail of the silicone half with the watch channel, noting the notch orientation so the band sits flush. Start with the short half near the 12 o'clock side, insert at a slight angle, then slide straight until you hear or feel the click. Repeat for the longer half at 6 o'clock. Make sure to give each side a gentle tug. This confirms engagement and prevents accidental release during daily wear. You fasten the silicone band by threading the tail through the loop and seating the pin into a comfortable hole. Aim for snug but not restrictive so sensors read accurately. Move the loop to prevent chafing. Silicone breathes less than woven straps, so wipe sweat away after workouts. If the band resists removal or installation, press the release and use a thin plastic pry tool. Metal risks scratching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.